Alright guys, so we finally getting some momentum building up here on Pepe Coin. As we can see now here in the charts, we finally broken out of this structure of lower highs, lower lows. As we can see here now, finally we made our first higher high since this previous one here, which is a really good sign of strength right now, that we want that market structure to change right now on the lower time frames here on the 4 hours right now. We've broken out of this structure of going sideways, then down, sideways, down, sideways, down. Now we finally did some sideways and then up, and that's a clear sign of strength. That's what we want to see right now here, guys, on Pepe Coin. Now as well on the EMAs, we can see here now, since that big rejection we got here from those EMAs, we got a touch one more time here on that 50 EMA, and finally now guys, we are above that 50 EMA, which is kind of important, as now a lot of people base their buying and selling on these EMAs. Although I'm not a big fan of those EMAs, but a lot of people nonetheless, usually big buyers, base their buying and selling on these EMAs. And now we are finally above that 50 EMA, which is that yellow line here. Now we are between that 50 and 100 and the 100 EMA, which is the green one. Now the point here is we want to keep going in this structure. As I've said guys in my previous Pepe Coin videos here, we want to change the structure from lower highs to lower lows, to change the structure to higher highs and higher lows. And now we are seeing it playing out right now. If you've watched my previous Pepe Coin videos, I told you that's what I'm waiting for right now here on Pepe Coin, and it is playing out guys. Now finally we are getting some bullish momentum building up slowly here on the lower time frame. So what I would like to see now, we can see we have some sort of a support resistance building here. Now this area around that 65 area here on Pepe Coin, we want to hold this. Now this should be our new support locally here on Pepe Coin. So we want at best go here and not break this previous low here. We don't want to break that previous low, and then we want to at best go back here and then go for another try, swing high above that previous high. So this would be it guys for us here to be looking at again going for that major resistance that we have above us here, which is around that 80-90 level. Now this is the major resistance that used to be support, as we can see previously here. We want to break above it here and hold, and then we can see further prices ahead for Pepe Coin. This would be the major market structure change from this only downward here to back to upwards again. Now so far we are doing well here on Pepe Coin. As we can see, we finally changed that market structure. We want to hold this support here as well now around the 65 level, so I'm keeping an eye on this one. Been trying to catch a bottom here on Pepe Coin, as I've seen this sign of strength the whole morning now. I've been waiting for any retracement as I am looking to get into some longs here. As I'm not gonna lie here guys, it is looking pretty good. So we can see now we have this also could be counted as some sort of a head and shoulders with this neckline here, and we could get a target of the same target that we could get around here, around the 19% move here, and this would bring us right towards that previous resistance. This is why I've been looking at taking some longs here on Pepe Coin. Now so far I'm still waiting. As to some news now here regarding Pepe Coin, we can see now recently Pepe Coin lost the top 100 position, and now bulls gathered to push Pepe back toward the top 100 position, and we are still here. Pepe Coin is still on that third position here on the top meme coins, and overall in the whole crypto space is 102. We could possibly see it gaining back again, going back to that top 100, as it's been in it for a long time now. The market cap is still standing around that $268 million here. Now if we keep pushing higher, we would see Pepe Coin again back to the top 100, and now so far we're still on the top 3 on the meme tokens. Now we can see as well the last 7-day gains. Pepe Coin is up 6.44%, which is good right now guys. We can see we are seeing some strength here from Pepe Coin. Finally we're seeing that strength. We've been wondering what's happening, as the last week we've seen Shiba Inu and Dogecoin making some moves and Pepe Coin did not make any move. But right now we have Pepe Coin making some moves, showing signs of life and strength again guys. So we keep monitoring the situation here guys. Remember, you can always join my Discord, link in the description, if you want to get in touch more. I share also my day trades there. Anyways, if you also watched my previous Pepe Coin video where I talk about what's happening, why we had that pump here, and what's happening with big wallets playing around with Pepe Coin, we can see now some people already noticed that as well. Now we got Pepe whales are active again, many frequent inflows and outflows to exchanges. So something is actually happening here with Pepe Coin. We don't know what exactly, but something is cooking, which is good. Now some movement is better than no movement, and we are seeing now that movement is mainly going to the upside, which is a good sign. Now whatever is happening, some people are trying to push the prices higher on Pepe Coin, which is a good sign. Now we're gonna keep monitoring the situation, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Now remember, there is a huge competition going on right now on FairDesk. If you're trading derivatives, no KYC, no VPN required to join this exchange. Up to 1.8 million USDT here for this competition for the winners, and as well a 4,000 daily bonus for top 10 traders. I'm as well trading here, participating in this competition right now here, guys. You can as well follow my trades, copy my trades in the same exchange, make some gains passively. Now again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or join the Discord. I wish you having a good day, and remember, nothing is financial advice. Cheers.